Hey you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the south, more specifically Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm along with Carolina Tony is joining us this fine evening, and we are outside of the Hollywood Wax Museum here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And we actually dug deep down into our wallets and purchased the special VIP access ticket. We'll see what that gets us. You ready to follow me? No, me. Yeah. Yeah. There's John Travolta hanging out with his best friend King Kong. There's the paparazzi wall. For some reason, Robert Downey Jr. is doing the DX chop. Is it just me, or does Harrison Ford look incredibly sad right there? Why is this like sad indie? It's like indie after you just told him that Sean Connery died. They're in perfect pirate form. Let's see, by his very distinct facial hair. And Orlando Bloom's very distinct facial hair. And look at their booty. They've got a big bucket full of Mardi Gras beads and fake coins. I'm trying out the prop station here. Got a bad case of fat man in a little coat. We gotta get these. I definitely should not put that in my ear, should I, Tony? No. That has probably been in someone else's orifice. So we'll pretend. We'll put it around near our ears, but not in our ears, so we don't want to get some weird ear disease. I'm wearing a coat that's too small and a stethoscope. There's probably people that put this in their ears and don't even think about that. So let's see. Let's see if he's got. Check out Sir Michael Caine's heartbeat. Oh my gosh. Sir Michael Caine is dead. Oh boy. Wait a minute, is he really dead? Because that would be poor humor if he was. Here we have Marilyn Monroe, Humphrey Bogart, and James Dean being served ice cream by Elvis Presley. And I bet, like, by the look on his face, he's like, I'm the biggest star here. Why am I the one serving the milkshake? All right, cuddle up on that big round bed with Hef.
Tell me, Hugh, is this how you got started?
Now he is dead. He did die. Yeah, just like look at her dead eyes. Oh my gosh. All right, going up to the VIP deck. Maximum occupancy, 8 people. Okay. Think we should work? Let's do a little elevator ride through. Going up to the VIP deck. You had to pay an extra $5 to get the VIP treatment. They're really driving this 8 people thing home. Okay, enter the code for the VIP is 8421. Don't steal that and use it yourself. I had to pay for that. It's gonna be a jump scare, I bet. Yeah. Ooh, nope. All right, up on the VIP deck, you can see out across Pigeon Forge, there's the island with its Ferris wheel. Tony, do you realize where you're standing? Watch out, you're in his crotch. That is King Kong's crotch right there.
Wow. I hope he's already been to the woods.
Up here. Oh my gosh, there he is. Look at his vicious monkey face. That is quite a monkey face. Tony, where did you just go? He has a.
Into his shoulder blade.
You can just get in his arm.
I just can get his armpit.
Is this more VIP access? This is just a. What's the purpose of this? There's nothing in here. There's just a hole in King Kong's armpit that you can climb into for some reason.
Look,
I'm confused.
It's really cold out here.
Tony, come on. All right, here's Seth Rogen. See what props they have. He's got some whiskey and he's got a pipe, which I guess he uses to smoke his marijuana with. Calm down, Tony. That's insane.
Nacho Carolina Tony! Yeah!
Jack Black looks startled at your behavior. I don't know if this is a good idea to encourage people to punch the wax figure. Should I take my shirt off for more effect? Nah. Now I'll tell you a secret Easter egg. This Jack Black used to be the Jack Black from King Kong. He's out front to go with the King Kong figure, but they repurposed him as Jack Black from Tropic Thunder. You could tell because in Tropic Thunder he had short blonde hair. Where's the Robert Downey Jr. character? Man, my head is big, or this thing is really small. Marky Mark. Looks like he has giant bulging muscles. Anyways, how are you doing, Marky Mark? We got his little sidekick here, Ted the bear. Let's make them kiss each other. Nom 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 nom.
Beat me up, Scotty.
You're the best part of any Wax Museum, the horror chamber. If you have a weak heart, bad nerves, or expect a baby, enter this horror chamber at your own risk. Do you have bad nerves, Tony? Seriously, I have such a large head. I cannot even get this Phantom of the Opera mask all the way on. Oh, God bless my mother. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Maybe it's a blessing in disguise. Look how much filth is on the inside of that.
Wow.
Here, you put it on, Tony.
No.
What's that?
Which one has got the music?
That's him. It's Jason. Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. So Boris Karloff, are we supposed to be like bellboys or something? Okay, I just took a little peek under his mask, and it's a mannequin, but the first time I ever came here, we peeked under his mask, and it was Colin Farrell. I like how here behind Patrick Bateman, they have a thing that says playing horror projection video. Oh, there we go. You know, as horrifying as Leatherface is with his cannibalism and his chainsaw, he always makes me kind of nostalgic. I had this great trip across Texas. We stopped at all the different locations of the various Texas Chainsaw Massacre movies, and they all serve barbecue, so it was a good trip. The cockles of my heart. Look at the prop they give you. Die, Michael Myers. Quit killing people. He's got a little cape here. Hanging out with Dracula. Blah, blah. Right, that's what he said. Yeah, he doesn't have any teeth poking out. So he's supposed to have little fangs. No, they're just ongoing debate. There's one thing movie nerds like to say when you call this guy Frankenstein is they say, no. Frankenstein's not the name of the monster. Frankenstein's the name of the doctor. Well, I think you're wrong. I think he is Frankenstein, and I'll tell you why. Because who is this man's father? Dr. Frankenstein is the father of the monster of Frankenstein. Therefore, he would have the same last name as his father, and even though he didn't ever give him a name, his legal name would have been, you know, when a baby is born and the parents don't choose a name for it, it's either baby boy, father's last name, or baby girl, father's last name. So his full name would be baby boy Frankenstein. So calling him Frankenstein, you were absolutely correct. Calling Dr. Frankenstein and his son, baby boy Frankenstein. Ain't that right, baby boy? Oh, Bruce Lee, why are you smashing my face in? I see the Men in Black right there. Here's the prop station, so you can look just like one of the Men in Black. Oh man, look at that. The difference is I make this look good. Look at that. This beautiful schmuck. What the heck? Oh, there we go. When I hold real still, can you tell which one is me?
No.
What is you? Oh, it's a steering wheel. All right, Vin. Let's get away from these bad guys in this fast car. You with me? Oh man, he's got a bunch of dirt in his nose. Near, far, wherever you are, my heart will go on.
George, that is one ugly bride you got there.
Come on, George.
Yikes.
Kiss me. I tricked him. Now I'm gonna have his inheritance.
Whoa.
What?
Gotta throw the bouquet.
Purple rain, sometimes purple rain. Sometimes others call the same purple rain. Jolene. I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. And here we have the world's angriest looking Willie Nelson. Here, this is kind of clever right here. You have the country singers under the Grand Old Country concert, not the Grand Old Opry. They avoided the copyright infringement very stealthily. See, I don't even know what to say because he's a silent film star, so he doesn't have any catchphrases, right?
No. You just have to walk real fast.
Why'd I have to walk fast?
Because it's silent film, they always walk real fast.
The frame rate's off?
Yeah. There you go.
You spitting tobacco there?
Yeah.
Did you know John Wayne is not his real name?
I did know it was not his real name, but I don't know what his real name is.
His real name is Marion.
I would change my name to John.
Check out all these Oscar awards. These are the 3 here that I have won personally. All right, we're heading across the parking lot into the Castle of Chaos. Now, it's my understanding that there's 3 other attractions in this castle. They have a 4D shooty game. They have a haunted house, which I did want to check out, but they said no filming, so we're not going to see that. But because we got the VIP pass over here, it's going to allow us to see the mirror maze in the Castle of Chaos. So I guess this is more specifically the Hannah's Maze of Mirrors. I guess that is Hannah, I guess. It got really dark. Oh my gosh. Oh, apparently this mirror maze has a storyline. That CGI wizard.
You must know, born lovely, but consumed with loneliness as she...
Hello, my dear.
Oh dear, it's the witch.
Oh, how dare you, princess. I might not be as pretty as you are, but that's no reason to insult me. So, you like to look in the mirror, hmm? Well, let's see how you like my maze of mirrors. You'll only be able to see yourself for all eternity.
Door is opened. Heading into the mirror maze. All right, you go back there, Tony.
Wow.
Okay. This is very disorientating. Oh wow, this one. Seriously, I've been through a lot of these tunnels. This is a bad one. Whoa! Now I'm gonna barf. Oh, now we got to go through the Wizard's Passage. What is that? All right, the Wizard's Passage. Uh-oh. It's piano stairs. All right, let's hurry up and get up here. Don't know what that S stands for, but this is super intimidating. Wow, it's a bottomless pit. Now we're going. Oh, whoa. Ah! That seriously scared me.
Forge ahead, chosen one.
All right, we've made it into the maze. We've got our plastic gloves on. Never seen a mirror maze with this much theming.
Wow.
Is that the real Tony back there?
There's 4 carpetbaggers and you can shake a stick at.
Gonna have to make our way out of here. Oh no, we lost Tony. Oh, there he is, down that endless hallway.
Is it?
Was that? Oh, there you are. Whoa!
You can't go that way. Keep trying, chosen one.
That was crazy. All right, let me see. Which way do we need to head here? I think there's too many of me back that way. What is that? Is that the king? All right, we found the king. I don't think we're supposed to find him though. We're supposed to find the princess. So which way do we go from here? Oh yeah, I think this is not correct. There seems to be a lot of us right here.
You're getting close. Please save me.
Is this right?
Our gratitude is boundless, chosen one. For today, you have saved our daughter.
Yay.
And demonstrated with a gift crafted from the riches of the kingdom.
What gift is that?
Diamonds,
Diamonds,
rubies,
rubies,
and emeralds.
and emeralds.
Together, these jewels will adorn a crown of unparalleled beauty.
Oh, wow.
To be placed on your head.
A crown? There's my
Let
crown.
the celebration begin!
All right, we want a jewel-encrusted crown. Black lighted space hallway.
I'm jump scared you.
Look at that. There's an infinite number of me standing behind me. And there's fireworks going on above my head. And there she is. We finally found her, the princess. All right, so it has been a very fruitful evening. Tony, we rescued the princess. We made fools of ourselves inside of a wax museum. Good night, if I do say so myself. So appreciate you guys watching. Check out Tony's channel. It's Carolina Tony on YouTube. And of course, I am the Carpetbagger. If you would like to see other places I've been, check the interactive map in the description. See all the places I've been, and you can tell me where I need to go next. Also, if you'd like to contribute to the channel, consider buying a t-shirt. Consider donating to Patreon. All that information is in the description. But for now, this one's bag, yes.